Hi guys, Sourdough Kathy here, and I found an issue with one of my potato plants a couple days ago. One of them, this one, I found a piece that was rotting off right about there. So I broke it off because it was totally rotten, and now I'm finding that there's black going up here. So I'm not sure what's going on. It's awful wet. We've had terrible rain and not enough sun, so I've decided I'm just going to dump this out and see what happens. Probably not going to be good, but we'll see. Yeah, pretty wet. Oh, but I do see some little potatoes. Not a lot, but now this came from just one of those little pieces that were in a bowl. If you watched one of my videos, but as you can see, this is so wet that it's rotted at the root right here, and I'm sure it came from just one of those pieces of chit. But too much rain, too much water, it's soaking wet. You can see that. It's just too bad that I'm hoping now, thinking that, wow, I wonder how many others are going to be like this. Now this one looks like I must have had a piece of potato in this. This may have been one that had a potato in it. I may be wrong, because that was a piece of potato. See, even the potatoes are soaking wet and starting to go bad. So this one here also totally rotten. This is the problem with growing things when the weather's, doing its thing. There's nothing we can do about the weather. We can be careful not to overwater as much as possible, but when it's raining, there's not a doggone thing we can do about it. Well, that's all. I just wanted to show you some of the disasters. I mean, it's nice to show all the good stuff, but there's also disasters with gardening. This is what I got. It's about enough for one person. By the time you get done cutting out all the rotten spots, you might as well just toss them. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you'll do all that good stuff. Leave me a comment. Love you all. Bye-bye now.